All right, so I went ahead and sliced this package open. This has been missing for a week and a half. I honestly didn't know if it would show up. So this was from their fall release, and they sent over 4 colors, and I'm really excited. I like that there is a yellow and an orange in this one. I believe there were 7 or 8 colors, and I got these 4. So this first one looks like a yellowish color. I need a latte. Yes, this is like a muted mustard yellow. This is really pretty. I already think I know which one I'm putting on my nails though. Okay. So we have this one, which is a little bit different. It is a Toffee Break, and this one to me is gonna look like a brownish orange. That's exactly what it looks like. Okay, let's compare the two just because I have both of them right here. Toffee, which is your darker color, that obviously is kind of like an orangey brown, I would say, and then that is definitely more yellow for I need a latte. Don't worry, I'm gonna swatch them. Next we have Gray Area. Ooh, this is like a nice, like steel gray with a little bit of blue to it. I like this color a lot. I can see myself using that in winter too. Next is Night Shift, which is this really pretty green, it looks like. Yes. This is the perfect fall green, and I think this is what's going on my nails. Maybe I'll do the gray and the green. Okay, let's swatch them. Okay, this is Night Shift, and you guys know I always like to scrape it on first. Nice, kind of like mossy green when you first do it, but I do like to come in with a normal coat. And this one is a 1 coat coverage. There might be a little bit of shadowing there because that's where your brush is going down and then you drag it. So I would probably do 2 coats just to do 2 coats. Okay, we're gonna do Toffee Break. Yeah, I actually really like this color. I had said earlier, oh yeah, look how pretty that is going on. Especially, you could okay, this would be perfect for tortoiseshell nails. If you guys followed me, I have done a couple different, what's the word? Tutorials doing tortoiseshell, and you add this to the base, that would be perfect. Or even, maybe the other one. All right, I need a latte, which is that really pretty yellow. This, yeah, I was gonna say, this looks like a 1 coat coverage. This goes on so well. Like, I can't even make it sheer, really. You'd probably have to add some clear if you wanna make this a sheer color. I mean, you just let that settle for a second and it's perfect. But if you've been with me, you know I like to do my swatches a little bit different. This is I Need a Toffee and this is the latte, so you can see that's really pretty. All right, I'm going to take Gray Area, swipe it down. Yeah, this is really pretty too. Now I don't know if I want this. It's gloomy out today when I'm filming this. You'll see this next week. Or maybe I need to bring this up next because it's already getting close to the season being over. This one will be a 2 coater, and that's just to even it out for the top. Although, I mean, you can get it in 1 coat. I don't think I would recommend this one in 1 coat. All right, so I'm going to ignore, I didn't take all the color off. So I'm going to take Night Shift, which is that really pretty green, and I'm going to apply it to my nails because I'm excited for this color. Look how pretty colors. Yes. Got too much on the brush. That's so pretty. Whoop. It's hard when you literally can't see the side of your nails. Let me zoom in. So I do have hard gel. I have IBD gel under this. So this is a soft gel, meaning it's a soak off gel. And I'll make it lighter. This video, I'm a little bit all over the place, clearly. Alright, they looked good shiny, but I love the matte, I'm not gonna lie. It would have been probably really cool had I done like a gold thing here, like a striping tape. Yeah. Things are going through my head. I would even like this for Christmas time. So yeah, super nice. Alright, I like these a lot. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.